Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Now we have completed block 24. Now we will be going to start block 25, that is air and water transport. Now previously we have learnt about the road transport, now air transport. Now previously in third class you already know that the safety of the roads. Okay, 1 minute I'll just show you some picture here, signals, how you have to follow the road safety. And this is zebra crossing, this is road safety signals. You will be daily, you will be coming to school, or wherever you will go, you will find these signals and you know the rules of these signals, right? Okay, now today we will be going to start new lesson under this S1, hot air balloons to aeroplane. So in olden days, first they have started in hot balloon, only 2 people used to travel. Okay, and that will you will travel through gas balloons. Okay, now here few or less people, only few people or less people, much slower. It goes very, very slow. I'll show you the picture. See, it is there in your reader only, hot air balloons. This is hot air balloons, children. Okay? Then, new. Now, slowly, our technology has improved a lot, children. So, new, much faster nowadays, and take more people, has made travel easy. Now all can fly across land and water. We can fly across land and water. Before, in early days, we could not able to cross some mountains. We could not able to cross, or somewhere rail tracks will not go through those water or near mountains. Okay, so has made travel easy. It is made travel easy and faster now. Okay, now land and water, we can cross land and water also. Now few points I'll tell you. Now here, birds fly just as aeroplanes do, right? We have also heard or read stories about flying carpets in old stories, or you'll see in movies also, and flying car chariots. Now, the hot air balloon is the oldest type of aircraft. Okay, this is the oldest type of aircraft. People got ideas from gas balloons and thought of flying in a hot air balloon. By seeing those birds, they got idea actually, children. First, in 1783, only 1 or 2 people could fly in them. In 1903, the Wright brothers invented the first aircraft and called it Flyer. Now, Fly 1. Very few people could travel in it. The newest is the modern aeroplane that we see today. Now we'll see a lot of aeroplanes, right? Modern aeroplanes. Traveling by a modern aeroplane is much faster than other 2 modes. Modern aeroplane can carry up to 250 people at one time. So it takes 250 people, more than that also nowadays they are taking people from one place to another place. Now, hot air balloon and the Flyer 1 could carry only a few people. Neither the Flyer 1 nor the hot air balloon was as fast as modern aeroplane. Now, they were not faster, children. Okay, but nowadays modern aeroplane It carries more people, right? Modern airplane can fly long distance. Yes, it flies long distance at a very high speed, unlike the other two. Now, many people can travel across countries, oceans, continents in a short time. On these aircraft, modern aeroplanes can transport food items and parcels to different places in less time too. This would not have been possible through hot air balloon or Flyer 1. Okay? We can go to outer space in spaceships that also travel in air. Astronauts travel in spacecraft to travel in space. That also is very important. Okay? So through this, even business also will be improved there. You can earn more money through this by sending some things or parcels from one place to another place, right? Okay. Now take out your reader, page number 154. Have you ever wished that you could fly like a bird? We have heard stories about flying carpets, flying chariots, and even God who could fly. Have you read about Superman, a cartoon character who can fly? We too can fly when we travel by aeroplane. Yes. Today we have different kinds of transport that can take us through roads, water and air, just like road and rail transport. Air and water transport have made it easy for us to travel to different places. Now, hot air balloon to modern aeroplane. Many years ago, people used hot air balloon to travel by air. A hot air balloon travel with gas and move with the wind. Hot air balloons could carry 2 or 3 people at a time but could not travel very fast. In 1903, the Wright brothers invented the first aircraft known as the Flyer 1. Today we have different types of aeroplanes. These are carry up to 250 to 300 passengers and have loads from one place to another. Modern aeroplanes can fly very high above the clouds at a very fast speed. One more thing, children, even for our recently you must have seen in news that we have bought some modern aircraft for the wars and all, right? Military aircrafts also you have seen, helicopters, right? They are very modern equipped, right? Now see this one picture, those time. See this different type of aircraft. See before how this was glider. These are the gliders. See this one now. How it is improved, no children? See different types of aircraft. See, it has shown in your reader. Very clearly it has shown. Take out your workbook, page number 45, S1, hot air balloons to aeroplane. Question 1. Look at the picture. Which is the oldest and which is the newest means of transport? Write 1 for the oldest, 2 for that which comes next, and 3rd for the newest in the small box. See, these 3 are there, 3 pictures are there. In this box, first which one oldest was? Hot air balloon. So you write number 1. Then next is Flyer 1, 2. Then 3rd one, an aeroplane, number 3. Did you understand? Next one, fill in the table. Now in this modern aeroplane, hot air balloon and flyer one. Children, this red line always I used to tell you. Now also I am repeating that this line will shake because due to this color. Okay? Now, write number 1, children. First box. What do you think is the speed of each? Write high, medium or less. So in modern aeroplane, the speed will be high. Then hot air balloon, less. Flyer, medium. Next box, number 2. You write number 2 there, children, with pencil. Write with pencil. How many people do you think each of these can carry? Many, few or 1 or 2? Here, modern aeroplane, many. Hot air balloon, 1 or 2. Flyer, few. Then, one similarity. You have to show one similarity. What is that? All travel by air and can carry people. That's all. Write that much. Question 3. Beside traveling to different countries and cities, where else can we travel by air? We can go to space by traveling in air. Full stop. Oh, one time please see, children. Please zoom it and see, okay? Right.